If you don't want to do what other people do, if you don't want to have an average life, listen to this story. I bumped into this mentor a little bit later, this guy named Alan Nation. He said, no, Tai, the secret in life is to ignore 99 out of 100 people. But when you find the one person who actually knows what they're talking about, like actually listen. If you could begin to do what Alan Nation said, is the secret to life is to ignore 99 out of 100 people. But when you find that one person who knows what they're talking about, do everything they say, your life will transform. It'll transform this week, this month, this year, and over the whole course of your life, however long you're here on planet Earth. As long as you're listening, adapting, and becoming a learning machine. Give me 5 minutes a day, transform your life. I'm gonna share a 5-minute nugget every single day for a year. So I'm gonna give you something. You won't hear this at Harvard. You won't hear this in any book. You won't hear this at any conference. I'm gonna open up behind the scenes in little 5-minute chunks every day, something to you. Click the link below and jump in this special 5-minute mentor test group. And then you're also going to get, and this is something I've never done, the first 60 days that you click and get in this test group, I'm gonna actually get on live calls with you each week. Either me or my mentors will be on these calls, my business partners, and I'm gonna actually walk you through the first 60 days. All the things I'm doing now that I love about my life, not my life's not perfect, but all the things I do love, I wasted 10 years. And I promise you this, if you're watching this, if you don't understand what I'm saying in this story, you will waste 10 years of your life, and you don't have to waste those 10 years. The only thing you can't get back is the years of your life. You need to be selective, you need to find who's qualified, and then you need to adapt. That's the 3 things that can change your life. By selectively learning, I begin to skyrocket financially and just in life freedom and happiness past people that I didn't go to college, but past people who went to college and I didn't go to college, and all of a sudden I'm going, man, there's something to this. And I follow that selective listening to the right people my whole life. So click the link below. You've only got a few days left.